replacing the door lock springs on our 1989 Grand Wagoneer shop truck. To begin, you take a flathead screwdriver and you gently insert it between the two plates. And I set mine just above the pivot rod, and that way it'll stay in place and I don't have to worry about trying to hold it with both hands. Now you can see inside, the little spot down here is where the spring pokes out on the outside plate, and then just inside up here on the top is where it goes through the hole. So using needle nose pliers, you just simply grab the spring and pull it out, and then the bottom piece comes out, and so it'll go back in this exact same orientation. Reinstallation, you simply take it in here, slide it in through the hole, then you can just leave it right there. And then what you want to do is grab a pair of needle nose pliers again, and you're going to fish this top piece through the same hole. So now the final step is to take this piece and just slide it right up into the correct hole. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Then you can reach up inside of here and you can take out that screwdriver. And now you can see that the door lock spring is where it's supposed to be. And it is a lot tighter than it was.